Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera upload not working in OneDrive app 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need to check your internet connection because OneDrive needs internet to upload photos and videos. So you will need to use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and avoid weak or intermittent connections. Also, you can toggle the airplane mode on and then off to reset network. The second step is to confirm the camera upload is turned on. So to do that, you will need to go with your app, tap on the icon or the profile icon that's located on the top left corner, and then go with the settings. Okay, so right here you will need to look for the camera backup or camera upload option. Tap it and go with backup device folders and check mark the camera just like that, and after that toggle on include videos. Also, you will need to grant the required permissions, okay? So OneDrive needs permissions to access your photos and camera. So you will need to go with your device settings, and right there you will need to scroll down until you can see the apps option, tap it and go with the second option and tap on manage apps just like so. And then you will need to look for OneDrive, so you will need to type it, and once it's found just go and tap on it. So right now we want you to go with the app permissions on the permissions section, and after that make sure that the photos and videos are allowed. So everyone, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.